Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have discussed about the numeric data types in Python. Now, in this video, I am going to teach you about the string data types in Python. First of all, what are strings? I am opening my PyCharm. Here I have a variable named str, okay? Any value of characters surrounded by a single or double quotation marks is called a string. Okay. Now here str is equals to hello world. Here hello world is the string, that is any value or data that is surrounded by a single or double quotation marks is called a string. Clear? You can assign the value to a string variable just as usual as assigning any data type value to any variable. Okay. Now what if I don't want my string only to be single lined. I want my string to be somewhat much. Now I am taking here John and my age is 26. And a Python developer. I don't want all these things to be in a single line. And even though I don't want this to be two strings, I just want everything to be in two lines and within a single variable. What can I do? Now I am running my program. Run. See, it has shown an error. End of line while scanning a literal. So what could you do if you want the two line string under the two or more lines, okay, under a single string variable? What could you do? Here you can use the triple apostrophe for writing a string in two different lines. Okay. Now I am again running my program. Process finished with exit code 0. Now I will print this value to show you. Print str. Run. See, I am John and my age is 26 and I am a Python developer. So you can write multi-line strings using triple quotation marks. Okay. Here you can use single quotes instead of double quotes. Run strings. It also shows the same output. It's based on your convenience to use the single quotes or double quotes. Okay. Now, what if I want a particular value at a particular place from a string? To be simple and precise, I am taking the string to be hello world again. Okay. Now I want the string at the place 4. What could I do? Here I am typing str of 4. Run. Okay. O. It is giving me O, but here you can see that O is at the 5th place of the string str. But it has returned O when I have given the 4 value in my string. Why? Because the indexing of the string always starts from 0. Here H is considered to be 0th place, E and the negative index starts from the last character of a string. -1, 1, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay, now I don't want only a single character from a string. I want a pair of characters, that is I want from E to O. What could I do now? 1, 2, 4. Now I am running my program. ELL. Okay, the colon slices the string from a starting value to an ending value. Okay, you can also use negative indexing here. -1, 2, -3. Now let me run my program. Run string. Sorry, I'm again running my program. -5 to -2. You can't use the reverse slicing, so -5 to -2, WOR. Now I don't know the string length. We have seen that the index starts from 0 and ends before 1 of the length of the string. But how could I know the length of the string? In our case, we can count it just on fingers, but if the string is so long, we can't just count it, right? So how could I find the length of the string? Here you can use the len function to find the length of the string. Print len of str. Run strings. It is giving 11. Okay, our string has 11 characters. We have many other string methods. It's not possible to discuss all of them in a single video. I'll throw them in my description box and I'll show you how to use the string methods by showing some of the string methods. Okay, I'm printing print str.lower. The lower function returns the string in its lowercase. Okay, here we have only h to be uppercase value, so it will be also converted to lowercase. Run. H is converted to lowercase. Now what if I want everything to be in uppercase? str.upper run strings. So everything is converted into uppercase. Now here in the place of h I want to be gm or something. How can I do that? You can use replace function. Replace. Here first give the value which you have to be converted and give the value, give the character which has to be replaced. Now run strings. GAELLO. Okay, so like this you can replace characters in a string. So we have so many other functions in strings. I'll throw them and they're working in my description box. You can go through them. Okay, now I want to check if h is in hello world or not. How can I do that? Print h in str. Okay, this will return a boolean value, a true or false. If h is in string, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Run strings. True. We have h in our string. Now what if I want to check if h is not in our string or not? run strings false. H is in a string, so when not in string it will return false, of course. Okay. Now I have another string named str1 is equals to some. I am taking str to be hello and str1 to be John. Now I am running my program, run strings. So it has taken the values of strings. Now I want to concatenate these two strings. Print str plus str1. Run strings hello John. But here I want the space between hello and John. How can you do that? Here you can place str plus quotation marks plus str1. This adds a space in your final output string. Okay, running my program, hello John, sorry. Give space here, run strings, hello John. Okay, in this way you can add space to your string. Now let us see formatting strings. Okay, I have name is equals to John and ID is equals to 98. Okay, now I want to have a sentence like output is equals to I forgot to use quotation marks. I am, comma, name and my ID is comma ID. Now let me print my output. Print output. Run strings. I'm John and my ID is 98. Okay, but I don't want all these things to happen. I just want to format my string. Here I'll give I am and my age is Now I'll format this string. Print output dot format name comma age. Now let me run my program. Run strings name age. Sorry, I'm always confusing by age and ID. Name comma ID. Now run my program. Run strings. I'm John and my ID is 98. We have got the same output, right? So you can use the format method to format some values into your string. Here the flower braces are called the placeholders. The format method takes the passed arguments, formats them and places them in the string where the placeholders are. But remember that the order must be as wanted. Okay. Now if I take here id comma name, let us see what will it do. Run strings. I'm 98 and my id is John. Sounding so weird, right? So never miss your order. Name comma id. We have some illegal characters which should not be used within a string. Now I am removing all this. I'll again take str is equals to hello world. Here I'll use again another apostrophe. Another quotation mark. Now I'll run my program. Run strings. Run even while scanning literal. So you can't use the quotation marks or single quotation marks, and you have many other characters which are illegal within a string. But what if you want them mandatorily in your string? You can use them by using escape characters. Okay, there are many other escape characters. I'll throw them in description box. You can go through them. Here, for example, I'll show you a single escape character. Here I want to use a quotation mark in the middle of hello and world. Use a backslash and type quotation. Okay, run strings, and here I'll print my string, print str, run strings, hello world with a quotation mark. Okay, so in this way you can add illegal characters into your strings. Okay, that's all for today. In my tomorrow's video, I'll discuss about list data types in Python. Bye.